The next was posted by another Reddit user named Pandy Lee, and it apparently was a nightly event that woke her up and made her grab her cell phone. She states, "This is me in the video. I'm currently cross-posting it. I was awakened in the middle of the night by something hitting my bed. I was scared and grabbed my phone to record, and I caught something really weird. It is not me who is causing this." Well, let's check her video out then. Well, what was that? A viewer asked, "Is that your foot?" Pandy Lee replies, "How could this be my foot? It's transparent, and I had it under the comforter. It moved super fast and back down. Please tell me how this could be possible." Another user commented, "When I brightened it up and slowed it down, it looked like a fuzzy shadow moving across. So what do you guys think? Is this just an anomaly? Was this all caused by her, accidentally maybe? Or is this a real apparition? Or just a hoax?" And before we proceed, I want to introduce you to today's video sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. This epic game brings you timeless turn-based strategy combat packed into a AAA universe that you can easily play and access through your phone. You can select between hundreds of different and interesting champions, and then create a party which is tailored and built based on your own preferred playstyle. What's on the horizon, you might wonder? Raid just released their biggest update ever. Embrace the main event, the Doom Tower, a giant tower filled with 120 floors. A great selection of secret challenge rooms and 12 epic rock-solid bosses you have to face. You'll receive a special champion for free, the Bulwark. He's a literal wall in clan boss and will help you out immensely in the tower against all these angry bosses. For more helpful bonuses, hit the link in the description to receive your free Void Champion, an XP booster, 50 gems, some energy refills and even an ancient shard as soon as you get in game. You'll find your extra rewards here in your inbox, which will be available to you for 30 days after activation. I see you in battle. This video was recorded by channel LATCHEYE, and he ventured to a place called Klein Falls, which is apparently notorious for weird sightings and even murders that have taken place here in the past. He and his wife were out for the mysterious and exploring some urban legends as well, and maybe even finding something that they could not explain. After walking around for a bit and scouting out the perimeter, the sun sets shortly after. But yet they continue their investigation.
Flashlight.
Is it a rabbit?
I don't know, it's pretty big.
And the darker it gets, the more intriguing stuff they seem to see in the distance.
No.
Damn.
I was looking at myself. That's sad.
And a little bit further down the stretch of road, they might find a strange creature they only heard before, but couldn't see yet.
Where's that your spirit box thing?
No. Alright. There's two eyes there. What is that? That is really weird.
Where's one?
That right there.
I don't know.
we out opening LATCHEYE. He's an urban legend here in Oregon. Really creepy character.
Malik believes that they could have potentially come across the LATCHEYE, which, like he claims, is an urban legend. But could he really? What is looking at them there from the bushes? Viewers pointed out that the eyes are pretty weird. And it doesn't really look like an animal, but maybe they are wrong. Maybe it is just an animal. But what else could it be? What do you guys think? The next clip was shared by Thea Taylor. They shared the recording from their security system that they have mounted outside of their house, and it appears that a person is popping up on frame all of a sudden, walking a little bit, and then disappearing, which kept their whole household baffled after seeing that. Well, let's see what exactly they could record here.
7/2 of 2020. We apparently caught an apparition going to the neighbor's house, going left to right by the trash cans, and in the middle of the driveway, this figure or apparition dissipates. And I've watched this hundreds of times, and nobody goes in the apartment. There it is, walking. No legs, and she disappears. If you see, nobody is going into this apartment right now, and a vehicle drives by. Nobody's there. The neighbor left. There's nobody nowhere to be found anywhere. Very odd. What's your thoughts on that?
So, what are we seeing here? On first glance, it does appear just like a regular person, but then the shape disappears. We probably all have seen artifact issues that can be caused by these type of CCTV cameras. But a person vanishing in the middle of the road is really something else. Is it maybe a real apparition that the camera could capture here? Another case of a nightly disturbance. This young man was woken up one night by loud bangs and noises that came out of one of the rooms. His parents were away on vacation and nothing out of the ordinary ever happened at the family home before. The guy said that 2 nights in a row he was plagued by sleep paralysis and that he always saw a shadow man that slowly walked towards him while he was nailed to his bed. He had a small figure and an evil grin on his lips. As he follows the noises into the bathroom, he captures this. Could it be that it was the same demon he was dreaming about? Now we're looking at a video recorded by Corey333, who shared this clip on Reddit. He believes that he might have recorded the spirit of his deceased pet following his cat into a room. His post reads, "This is a video from my camera in my house. I used it to see what my cat gets up to when I'm gone. You can see my cat go upstairs, and soon after something follows him. He's the only animal in the house. We used to have a small dog, but he passed away 4 years ago. Let's take a look." And then the recording ends. So, what was going on here? You can clearly see the cat go upstairs, and then there appears to be a blurry shadow following her. Can we believe the reports that this might even be the spirit of their deceased dog? It is likely. Or is this just a bug, or maybe some dust in the room? Let me hear your explanation. Hey guys, if you wish to support me to enjoy many more videos, please consider becoming a member and joining my channel. Now we want to take another look at TikTok user Face the Light, who documented a haunting at her former family home that involved a shadow man that had terrorized her for a good while. Now it seems that she has moved and things have gotten a bit more quiet. Until the day where she started this particular TikTok again.
Maybe when I'm done with it, I can send you this.
On another TikTok, she continues a room tour, on which she talks about the amazing items that she could gather for her new place. Now let's see.
I just wanted to show you my room. This is the bedding I got. This is the duvet that I grabbed from the house. There's all my books that I could not fit on that shelf. I probably saw in the last video, some really weird stuff has been happening around here. Like I keep hearing like random noises. I don't want to freak you out. I mean, I'm not that worried about it. I mean, it's kind of freaky. But anyways, on a lighter note...
And here the apartment tour continues, and she is aware that these events seem to transpire more and more.
I put the nice towel that you sent me. Thank you.
Who knows? Maybe the thing that was haunting her has moved to the new place with her. A bar in Mexico is claimed by many visitors who had the chance to spend one of their evenings there to be super haunted. Spoons and forks apparently were thrown off the tables by unseen forces and energies. Customers even complained about chilly breezes that were noticeable in certain spots at the location. A lady claimed that she felt someone touching her back when she was having dinner with her husband. These mysteries could never be fully explained. Last night, the security camera caught something strange. As the night guard is zooming in onto the screen, we can clearly make out a face that appears to be smiling. Does it belong to a deceased customer? What do you think? And it takes all a pretty dark turn, when indeed what other viewers describe as the Shadow Man is making a return, and freaks the living bejeebies out of her.
There's someone on the back porch.
Pretty much looks like the same figure, doesn't it? The Shadow Man just stands in front of the window for a while, peeking in and staring at her. Then it appears that he makes it into the house for some reason, and this is where Face the Light takes the last couple of recordings of this terrifying being. Isn't that terrifying? What's your opinion? I'll keep you updated on her.